Hello friend, welcome to my YouTube channel Learn English with Nisha. So friend, I'm your friend Nisha present with new video. So let's start this video. Friend, so many people have asked to me, I want to speak this language, but how and what I should do. तो वो बोलते हैं कि मुझे इंग्लिश बोलना सीखना है बट कैसे क्या करूं. सो इन दिस वीडियो आई एम गोइंग टू टेल यू इफ़ यू आर बिगनर देन what you should do for learning this language, for speaking this language. So stay connected with this video till the end. See my dear friend, if you are beginner, so what you should do, first you should think when you were child, so how did you learn your mother tongue? What was the first step you did to learn your mother tongue? Firstly, you listened. When you were child, you first listened, understand, you developed understanding, you observed what is called water, what is called mother, so many things by listening and by developing understanding. And then after observing 2 year, in when you entered in third year, so started speaking. So similarly you have to apply the same technique here as well. You are going to learn new language, so you have to apply the same technique. I'm not saying that you have to observe and listen for 2 years. Now you are not a child, but that listening step you have to do. What you have to do, you have to listen no matter how many minutes, but at least for 5 minutes start listening each and every day. Listen basic and easy English like story video and conversation video. Listen each and every day. आई नो इट विल बी हार्ड टू अंडरस्टैंड. जब आप ये स्टार्ट करेंगे तब आप चीज़ों को समझ नहीं पाएंगे, चीज़ें आपको आपके समझ में नहीं आएंगी, बट you have to keep listening for some days. When you will spend some days, 1 week, after that you will find that your understanding is improving, you are learning word sentences, your confidence is building. So you have to start listening. And what you have to listen, you have to listen a story and conversation video. And one more thing you have to do, when you are listening, so that time the word, the sentences you listen, just pause the video and imitate. Let's suppose you are watching any conversation video. So in that in that video, two people are interacting to each other by saying that hello, how are you, where are you from. So just pause the video and imitate, speak. सेम चीज़ें आपको बोलनी है और लर्न करना है कि जैसे बोला गया है वैसे हम बोल पा रहे हैं कि नहीं. Okay, so this is the first step you have to do for learning this language. Now come on the speaking. I know you are not going to talk with someone, maybe your English is not good, या you don't know that much English, आप इतना ज़्यादा इंग्लिश नहीं जानते हैं, but yet you have to do speaking practice. How? जो भी आप वर्ड सेंटेंसेस सीखेंगे लिसनिंग करने के दौरान, तो आपको क्या करना है, खुद के साथ प्रैक्टिस करना है, खुद के साथ जो है स्पीकिंग प्रैक्टिस करना है. सीट, फाइंड वन पीसफुल प्लेस, एंड यू डोंट नो दैट मच इंग्लिश, आपको बहुत ज़्यादा इंग्लिश नहीं आता है, फिर भी एक जगह बैठिए और हिंदी इंग्लिश मिक्स करके बोलना जो है शुरू करिए, प्रैक्टिस करिए. और ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा ट्राई करिए कि जो भी आप सेंटेंसेज वर्ड इंग्लिश में जानते हैं तो उसको हिंदी में ना यूज करके इंग्लिश में यूज करें. सो इन दिस वे ग्रेजुअली यू विल रिप्लेस हिंदी to English. And that's how, my dear friend, you can learn spoken English. So this is the first step you have to do for learning this language if you are a truly beginner. And one most important thing I want to tell you, watch daily uses sentences and vocabulary videos. If you watch and mug up, अगर आप वॉच करते हैं और रटते हैं तो कुछ इंग्लिश जो होता है बोल चाल का, डेली बोल चाल का, वो आप जो है सीख जाएंगे. सो सम इंग्लिश यू विल कवर फॉर स्पीकिंग, आप जो है सीख जाएंगे और जो है वो आपके बोलने में जो है यूजफुल रहेगा. आप so these things you have to do if you want to speak this language. And most important thing, very very important things, my dear friend, you have to keep patience. Yes, you heard it right, you have to keep patience. When you will start listening, so thing will not go according to you. जैसा आप सोच रहे हैं कि आप सुनना शुरू करेंगे और चीज़ें आपके अकॉर्डिंग होगा, सो नथिंग इज़ लाइक दैट. फर्स्ट यू हैव टू गिव द टाइम एंड लिसनिंग एंड देन यू कैन सी द रिजल्ट. तो फर्स्टली आपको जो है पेशेंस रखना है एंड फोकस ऑन योर वर्क, ऑन योर ड्यूटी. डोंट फोकस ऑन रिजल्ट फर्स्ट focus on karma, okay, on duty, and do your work honestly. Practice speaking, listening, do honestly and spend some time and see the result. You will able to speak this language. So I told you these are tips. I told you to speak this language. If you want, then apply this and definitely you will be able to. So I hope you liked this technique. If you, then please like, share and subscribe. Bye bye, we will meet in next video.